DJ Delz.
Alright, welcome to a brand new episode of the Delz Show. The Delz Show. Got a brand new package to unbox. Make sure to subscribe if you are new. And there's a little button next to the subscribe button. It's a little bell. Make sure you hit that little bell because it lets YouTube know that it's okay to notify you when I upload a new video. This way you don't have to go to the subscriber section and all that jazz. You just get notified. And I upload daily, so sometimes YouTube still don't want to notify people, so just come back tomorrow if you don't get notified. So I've been waiting a little bit for this. This took a little bit of time, I would say. About 2 weeks. And I think this may be the second time ordering on the website. And I don't remember how it was the last time. I did not get the chase. So I didn't get the chase of one of the pops I wanted. But it doesn't matter because I still wanted this pop. And I like how they packed it. They packed this real nice. This is from Hot Topic, by the way. I don't think I said that. But if you are new to the channel, I love WWE. Grew up watching wrestling as a kid. I do have content where I actually interview wrestlers. I've had Ramon, Scott Hall on the show, and I had to get this Funko Pop. So this is one of the pickups. I really, really want the Funko Pop Chase version because of the fact he's wearing the NWO attire. So if anyone has it, wants to do trades, I have tons of stuff I could do trades with. I got the Pennywise, I have Frodo, I've got tons of different limited edition pops. So hit me up. I definitely am looking for this chase. Next I got one of these protector cases because it was on sale and I got free shipping if I spent a certain amount of money. So why not get another one of these cases? I love getting them because it just protects the boxes when it comes down to chases like this one right here. It sucks when you buy a chase and it gets all bent up because it drops off your shelf and whatnot. It's not like you could just buy another one for retail. They cost a lot more money. They end up reselling for double, triple, sometimes 5 times the price, sometimes even more. There's chases that are worth hundreds of dollars, even thousands. So I definitely wanted to get another one of them cases. I will link that in the description box below. And finally, the last pickup is, and I like how they put it in this package right here, really protecting it. So it should be mint. And that is Dustin with darts. Yeah, this is mint. Very, very nice. Now, I remember last time I ordered from them, that didn't happen where they put it in one of them protectors. So that's super cool that they did that, being that we like our boxes not all beat up. Even if you're not a big collector when it comes to the boxes, you take them out of the box. It's just nice to have it in mint condition. You want to be the one to beat up the box, rip it open and beat up the box. Oh my goodness. Alright, get my head out of the gutter. But yeah, so I got Dustin with Dart. Awesome, awesome series. I love this show. And I thought Stranger Things 2 was fantastic. I also yesterday picked up this, the He-Man Faker. And for people that are curious about the actual information, I will put that right there. You could freeze frame it right there. And there was one person that was curious about that, so they could search for it on the internet and find out if their location was getting it. So there you go. This is kind of hard to get, and I feel like it's becoming a collector's item where it's being sold for way over retail. I've seen it on eBay for like $40 already, this one right here. So it's kind of crazy. I mean, these pops, some of them go up in value, some go up and down. Like, for instance, I picked up the Pennywise with wig, and at one point I feel like it was up to like $50, $60, and now it's down to about $20 to $25, give or take. I've seen a few for $30. So it really depends on how many times they hit the stores. Now, this pop hit the stores about a week ago. I did a video scoring it. If you want to see that, where I show they had a bunch of these at the Walmart. And I also check out all of the Star Wars moments, that whole collection. Definitely watch that video. It's not a long video. If you're into Pops, you're gonna want to watch it. It's a dope vid. But this one I actually have available for trade, and I do have also this, as I was showing you before, available for trade because I doubled up. I picked up 2 of these, and the vlog I did yesterday, the box was so beat up, so I did a sticker box swap with the camera going in the store. So I actually did a sticker swap in the store, in Target yesterday. And this is the second time me filming doing this, not in the store. The first time I did like a how-to video. So if you're looking for a how-to video where I get into more details, I will put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. But when it comes to Pops that are like stinking new, like they literally just came out, they're on the shelves, the stickers peel pretty easily, especially with these that have like the ridges on it. So it's pretty easy to peel these stickers off and put them on a fresher box. So check out that video too. I got a lot of Funko Pop vids. I really am digging this Razor Ramon Pop right here. I think this one is pretty awesome. And it is available still. You still can get this one available now. And I'm pretty sure you still can get Dustin with darts. So if you're looking for these two, I will put information in the description box below. And I'm pretty sure you can't find the He-Man Faker online, but I will post it on my Twitter and my Instagram if I find that out. My Twitter is Delz Toy Show. I always post links when it comes to Funko Pops. If you're looking for great deals or restocks or brand new releases, I always post on Delz Toy Show and over at DJ Delz. So definitely follow those Twitter accounts. And one pop I am looking for that released last night, but I was sleeping, and it sold out pretty quick, was the Kurt Cobain Hot Topic exclusive. So that's another one I'm looking for trades. And I'm also looking for the Ozzy Osbourne Funko Pop. I'm a huge fan of Ozzy Osbourne, and I'm definitely looking for that one. I did a video recently on the Metallica set, so if you want to see that, definitely check that out also. And I think that wraps it up for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Some of your newest Funko pickups, I always love hearing that. Or let me know your thoughts on the Stranger Things show. Let me know your thoughts on wrestling. How do you feel about Razor Ramon, the standard general release version? And in my opinion, I think they nailed it. He got the gold chain. He got the bright pink. He definitely got that Razor Ramon vibe. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I hope, once again, to get the NWO Chase. Another fun WWE pop that I got, Roddy Piper. I got this on sale for $2.99 over at Target in the clearance like 2-3 years ago. This was one of the first Funko Pops that I owned, that I bought, and then I slowly just started collecting and collecting and collecting. But when I seen the price for it, I was like, man, I'm gonna pick this up. I love Roddy Piper, and rest in peace to Roddy Piper. Really, really just one of my faves as a kid. So just showing you guys some of my other stuff. I'm trying to see if there's anything else to show you. Oh, wrestling related, we've got the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels, hit you with that super kick. And trying to think if there's anything else. Oh, behind here we got the Demogorgon 8-bit right up top right there. There's some like light shining on it and everything. There's some light shining. Also, check your Targets, because all of the Christmas inspired pops are on sale for like 90% off, maybe 70% off. But you can get these for like $2.99 or less. I think you can even get them for 97 cents now at some stores. So definitely check out your Targets, because they put all of their holiday stuff on clearance. So that means you can get the Grinch stuff for under retail. You can get the Elf stuff for under retail. Like I picked up Papa Elf because I didn't have him. I had the other two, but I didn't have him. So I was able to pick him up for $2.90, somewhere around there. So definitely check out your Targets. Just some tips. And happy hunting, everyone. Much love. Hit the thumbs up button, please, if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully with a new video. And that's it. Oh, and I also got this one. I almost forgot. I got this. Shout out to Crazy Kid 161. He sent this to me. I appreciate him sending this. If anyone ever wants to send Funko Pops, please feel free to. It'll be in the description box below. I'm really out this time. Much love. We out.